Now, what is the first point? In our RC circuit, you need to draw the diagram of RC with one AC source. With one AC source. Okay. In our AC circuit, some current is flowing. That current is called I. These are resistor R. These are capacitance. Across the resistance, we have some voltage. That voltage is called VR. And across the capacitance, we have some current voltage again. That is VC. Okay, this is the first point. Draw the diagram of series combination. Maybe RL, maybe RC, maybe RLC. That's the first point. Now coming to second point. Write the voltage and current equation. Write the voltage and current equation. What is the standard equation of voltage and current in our AC circuits? That is V equal to Vm sin omega t and I equal to Im sin omega t plus pi for capacitor minus pi for inductor. Okay. From pure resistor, pure inductor, pure capacitor, we know very well which is leading, which is lagging. Okay. That is nothing but which is positive, which is negative. Okay. In our RC circuit, which is positive, the current is for current angle is positive. Simply I have to say the current is leading, voltage is lagging in our capacitor. That is RC circuit. Okay. Now coming to the next one, the standard equation. These are the standard equation of RC circuit. Now coming to impedance, impedance and impedance diagram, impedance diagram of RC circuit, series RC circuit. Okay, sir, what is impedance? Impedance is, it is represented with Z. It is represented with Z. Now that Z equal to that Z in the form of vector, that Z equal to R vector minus J into XC vector. R vector minus J into XC vector. This is a vector form. Now coming to mod equal to under root of R square plus XC square. Okay, actually this is a minus XC whole square. Minus of minus, it is plus. Simply we have to take Z equal to under root of R square plus XC square. R square plus XC square. Now coming to the impedance diagram of RC circuit. The impedance diagram of RC circuit, that is impedance diagram of RC circuit. First you have to take some reference wave, that is this one. The reference wave is this one. Okay. So simply you have to take R is nothing but real part. Real part is the x-axis. Y-axis is nothing but imaginary part. Y-axis is nothing but imaginary part. Real part is nothing but x-axis. Simply I have to take R equal to real axis in phase with the real axis, that is R. What is XC minus? What is sign of XC minus? Minus is nothing but negative portion. These are negative portion. Negative portion. Okay, this is called XC. Now combination of resistor as well as XC, we have some impedance. We have some impedance that is equal to Z. That is equal to Z. Now this is the angle between resistor as well as XC. This is a total impedance diagram of RC circuit. Now coming to the fourth point. The fourth point, power factor. Okay, power factor. What is power factor? It is represented with cos pi. It is represented with cos pi. And now the cos pi is called the angle of voltage into current. The distance between the angle between voltage into current is called as power factor. It is represented with cos pi. Now we have some formula of cos pi, that is R by Z. R by Z. You know very well the Z value is R by under root of R square plus XC whole square. R square plus XC whole square. This is a cos pi power factor formula in our RC circuit. Now comes to the next point, phasor angle. Phasor angle or phasor diagram. Phasor diagram of RC circuit. Okay, sir, what is the phasor angle formula? Pi equal to tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. What is the imaginary part from the impedance? What is the imaginary part? Xc is the imaginary part. Simply I have to take minus Xc, tan inverse of minus Xc by R. This is our phase angle formula for RC circuit. Okay. Now coming to phasor diagram. Same, you have to take some reference wave. That reference wave is like this. Okay. From this phasor diagram, sir, phasor diagram is nothing but it is a diagram from the voltage as well as current. It is a diagram from the voltage as well as current by using some angles. What is the voltage angle? It will be zero, na? It will be zero. The voltage angle is zero. Now, what is the current angle? That is plus pi. Sir, see, we take this one. This is the voltage angle, and current angle is plus pi. What is plus pi? Simply I have to take like this. That angle is maybe it is less than 90. Just you have to take minus plus pi. Okay, just you have to take plus pi. The angle is less than 90 degrees. This is a phasor diagram of RC circuit. Now, from this explanation, which is the leading part, which is the lagging part? The current is leading, the voltage is lagging. Simply you have to take the total diagram shifted to some angle. That diagram is like this. That diagram is like this. If you are shifted the total diagram within the angle of some angle, that is nothing but in clockwise direction. Now, which is the leading position? The current is leads voltage by the angle of pi. Now you have to take voltage. The another definition, another point of phasor diagram. Current leads voltage by the angle of pi. Next, voltage lags current by the angle of pi. Both are same. Okay. Current అనేవాడు ముందున్నాడు ఎవరికంటే వోల్టేజ్ కంటే ఎంత యాంగిల్ తో 90 పై యాంగిల్ తో లేదు వోల్టేజ్ అనేవాడు వెనుకున్నాడు ఎవరికంటే కరెంట్ కంటే ఎంత యాంగిల్ పై యాంగిల్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఓకే, ఎలా రాసిన ఒకటి నువ్వు నా ముందు ఉన్నావు అనుకున్నావు నేనే నీ ముందు అన్నాను కరెక్ట్. ఏదైనా సేమ్. లీడ్స్ అండ్ లాగ్స్. లీడ్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ పాజిటివ్, లాగ్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ నెగటివ్. Okay, now coming to the next thing, but sir, simply I have to take the total voltage of this RC series circuit equal to VR bar plus VC bar. VR bar plus VC bar. That is equal to what is VR? Under root of VR square plus VC square. VR square plus VC square. Simply I have to take what is VR? VR equal to I into R whole square plus I into Xc whole square. Okay. Now I is a common, then simply you have to take R square plus Xc whole square. Now this is a V. Now V by I equal to V by under root of R square plus Xc whole square. This is also another formula in terms of voltage and current and resistance and reactance. Active power equal to it is represented with capital P. Okay, that P equal to V into I into cos pi. Now this can be written as I square into R. Both are same. Okay, active power equal to Vi into cos pi. That is equal to I square into R. Now Q equal to, sorry, what are the main dimensions of units of active power? That is volt ampere or watt. Both are same. Okay, the units of active power is volt ampere or watt. Now coming to reactive power. Sir, what is reactive power? Reactive power is represented with Q. It is represented with Q. That Q equal to Vi sin pi equal to I square into Xc. Simply the reactive power is multiplied with Xc. It is represented with Xc. That is nothing but I square into Xc, and real part is multiplied with I square. That is called active power. రియల్ పవర్ అనేది I స్క్వేర్ తో మల్టిపుల్ అవుతే యాక్టివ్ పవర్, ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ ని I స్క్వేర్ తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే రియాక్టివ్ పవర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ రియాక్టివ్ పవర్? వార్. వాట్ ఈస్ వార్? వోల్ట్ ఆంపియర్, వోల్ట్ ఆంపియర్ reactive. Okay, this is a total matter of RC series circuit. Power curve diagram of RC circuit. Zero, the voltage start from zero. The voltage start from zero, and current is start from leading position. This is the leading position of current. Okay, this voltage, this is called current. Now you take power. The power equal to voltage into current. The power equal to voltage into current. Now take the dotted lines from the voltage and current. Okay, this is a zero position. Now you have to take the multiplication of voltage into current. This is a voltage, this is a current. Both are in positive. Both are in positive from this 0 point to this point. If the both are in positive, simply your power waveform also positive. Your power waveform also positive. Now coming to this one, positive into negative. In between these two lines, the current is negative, voltage is positive. Positive into negative, negative. Positive into negative, negative. Now in these two lines, both are in negative manner. What is the negative? Negative into negative, positive. Negative into negative, positive. Next, negative into positive, negative. Next, then positive into positive, positive. Okay, this is a total power diagram of which one? RC circuit. Power diagram of RC circuit. The power curve diagram.